Okay, so this is an example of a working experiment 1D. So this is experiment 1 part D. And what I'm going to do here is I got my board sitting here. I actually would hold it up, but the the USB connection is loose. Every time I move it, clears the whatever programming configuration file has been uploaded to it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab the camera and point it at it. And so let's do that and see how that works. Yeah, if that works good. Sorry, I'm going to have to hold it up here, but here I go. I'm going to push the button. And what it's doing is, let's see if I can make it look better. It's stepping through the numbers right now. So what it's doing is it's showing all the numbers, it's checking whether they're prime or not. And so it's going to step through until it finds the first 32 prime numbers, and it's going to step through one by one. Now you don't really have to display anything, but displaying something is going to make it easier. And so I think that's all I have to say for now. It's going to get up to about 130 or 140, and then it's going to be done. And once it gets there, I will say something else. Okay, so it's run through that part, and these are actually the prime numbers that have been put into RAM, and what it's doing is stepping through RAM and displaying RAM. Okay, so the clock divider is set at about 24, which is why the final numbers were blinking fairly fast. Now, up on when it was testing the numbers, there's actually, the way I did it, there's two states involved, so it looked like it was going at half speed on that one. So any way you want to do it's fine. So certainly you might have to debug this thing. Maybe doing it slower is not a big deal. So the other issue is that I originally made this the first 16 Fibonacci numbers, but it was so straightforward. It was a matter of changing two values to make it into the first 32 Fibonacci numbers, so I went ahead and did that. And so other than that, I think that's all you need to see for this one, and we'll call it done.